For those who don't know, we just found a song that we did ages ago, back in 1992. That was a little bit of a hit for us back then, and it was out on Big City Records. And it was tracks. The project name is called Tough Head, but it's it ended up being called Me and My Partner, I believe, or Ecstasy or something like that. It was called. But yeah, guys, was just over the moon, and I'm going to just quickly see how far I can get with restoring this tune, because there's absolutely no masters of it, no digital masters anywhere in the world right now, and it's only vinyl, and the vinyl's old. So, and people have been asking about this tune, man. I can't believe I found it today, man. Big up Marlon. All it had to do is have that uplifting vibe, and like the crowd to be just like jumping on it, and it's got to have that drop bit, which obviously being ravers we knew about. But you know, sometimes when you're young and you're just in the moment, innit, you don't realise like the bigger picture. It more likely didn't sound as good as what it could have back then, EQ wise, and maybe it never had the PR behind it in terms of press, you know, magazines, the works. Maybe it could have done with a bit more money put into it as well on the promotion, because an independent label back then was a shoestring budget thing. It's just one of them things, isn't it? Like, I suppose everything happens for a reason, everything's meant to be. But look, we've got the samples for that now. I'm gonna save that onto disk, load it up, and definitely worth a remix, dude. Can't believe I flipping found it. It's not even called that. What's the disc called? Hold on. Let me just save what I've got here. It's called Tough Neck. The project name for that song is called Tough Neck 2. Tough Neck 2. Wonder what Tough Neck 1 sounded like. I'm going to call it Me and My Partner. Rah, man. We would have never found that. Tough. You see what I'm saying? That's like crazy. You see how, like, you see when things are ghetto, right? They get some get some ghetto names, man. They get some ghetto names. I watched some program, right, where there's this company, right, called the Movement Factory, and they're by this girl who won. Her name's Leanne Perot, and she won awards, businesses awards for her business being such a success and everything, right? But initially, you know, when she first started out, she opened up a business that was in the ghetto for like youths to come off the street and learn dance, yeah? But her business was struggling until the Pineapple Dance Studios got involved, and they come in, they give her a whole new rebrand. They called her the Movement Factory, branded her up, give her everything all proper, yeah? And then she became a success. But guess what the name of her dance group was, when dance class was when she first started, when it weren't doing well? Brockout Productions. Do you see what I'm saying? So sometimes even just things like that, just rebranding, can make a huge difference. And like, oh my word, I can't believe that, man. What a flipping tune. And you know, people are always asking about that tune, you know. And like, I haven't even got it on digital, man. That's the sad part to it. There's not even a digital copy.
And the thing is, right, that tune, I can just hear that tune with one of them, you know, one of them old time, late 70s, skinny, ragga beats underneath you, man. The lyrics were them hardcore, you know, them big shots with all them, the reverb and
I'm going to try and restore this tune, man. I'm going to try and get... It's missing drum parts. Because it had some... I remember some little... or some kind of thing like that to it. There was a little high string thing in there. Apparently there's a rewind. Man, I can't believe this. Sounds so good, man. Amen and everything. So I'll have to fix this up, man, and just run it off, as try and stem it out. That's another way I could put it back together, is if I can get the version part to load. Let me see what samples it's got there. Check out the samples. That was some tune called Madness. Do you remember that tune? What's that tune? Do you remember that tune?
Yeah, I know this tune.
That's nice, you know. You know, you could sample a piano and it still sounds sick, you know. Remix already, remix! Then you throw a little no respect. Right, let's start. Amen.
Oh, that's the feed, that feed break as well.
Some justice.
Yeah.
Didn't even know we sampled that. Is that in there? Wow, man.
No respect.
No respect. Me and my partner.
Me and me partner. Me and a teacher.
You never would.
It's like the Amiga gives it a little sweetness.
It's weird. You remember, like I was saying, it's got this like elasticy sound to it.
Yeah.
It's weird, and that sound, it just doesn't go across the Cubase, and it just loses the vibe.
You can still get edge from it though. You can still get good edge from it though. It's just that it doesn't sound the same. It sounds slightly different. Let me see if I can get this behind my partner version to play. Come on, come on. Oh, mate. I don't know if it's gonna play, man. Oh wait. Oh yeah, it's going. It's going. It's going. Whoa. It's loaded, 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 loaded. Right. So this is the version. You need 2 Amigas for this to play. This was done on 2 Amigas. Yeah, look, that, remember that little sound? Little dope. That's in the beginning. These are all the little missing bits. Wow, man. I really like this tune to pieces. It's one of my favourites, man. I want to see what else is going to play through. There's a lot of notes, but I think what we used to do is we used to delete out the notes that were on the other computer and just leave in what we needed. Yeah, look. See, all this was missing from the song. So I'll have to run this as a separate audio, and then I think this is going to have to be dropped into Cubase as 2 separate files. And then fix up the other one, or another mad idea I was thinking about is running this on an emulator, running one on an emulator, or string up 2 Amigas, bro, one on each side, man. There's 2 monitors in here, and then just feed them into the desk. It'll be good to hear 2 Amigas running, you know, after all these years though. I'm gonna have to just clean up my other Amiga, man. That's definitely gonna be a goal. But I swear there's a lot of little high stuff going on there. Wow. Flipping hell, bro. I wonder where that high-pitched sound came from then. It must be, it's on the Korg or something. I remember a little did kind of sound on there. Let me call up the songs list. It's still got quite a bit going on. Yeah, I thought that was a sample, but it's not. It's probably a Korg or something.